Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. What is the objection?
There can't be any objection.
Bhagavad Gita is accepted. And so far I understand that when Moraji was going to be arrested, he said that let me finish my reading of Bhagavad Gita. I read it in the paper.
Yes, he regularly, even at present,
He is a devotee of Bhagavad Gita.
Yes.
And there are many others.
Many others.
So why this teaching should not be given to the whole world?
Now I saw him generally he gets up at 3:30 a.m. Does first of all his religious things, reading of Bhagavad Gita and all. And that goes on for 2-3 hours. Then at 7 he comes out from his group after taking a bath. Then he meets the people and
When these foreign boys, they begin this Bhagavad Gita practice from 3:30 to 9:30.
to 9:30.
They have no other business. You see, I studied our Giriraj. Whole day he do. They are all on duty. From morning 3:30 till they are tired 9:30. Simply Bhagavad Gita. And we have got so many materials. If we discuss on this one line, Tatha Dehantara Prapti, it takes days to understand. Now, if this is fact, Tatha Dehantara Prapti, and Nahannate Hannamane Sarire, what we are doing for that? This is Bhagavad Gita. न जायते न अमृयते वा कदाचित न हन्नते हन्नमाने शरीरे. So, when my body is destroyed, I am going to personally going from door to door, selling the books and sending money. We are pushing on our mission in that way. I am not getting any help either from the government, from the public. And the record is there in the Bank of America, how much foreign exchange I am doing. Even this feeble health also, I am working 4 hours at least at night. And they are also helping me. So this is our individual lifetime. Why not come here? If you are actually very serious student of Bhagavad Gita, why don't you come forward? And harava bhaktasya kuto mahadguna. Manorathena asato. You cannot make public honest simply by legislation. That is not possible. Forget it.
That cannot be done.
That is not. Rava bhaktasya kuto. Jasyasya bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarva. If one becomes devotee of the Lord, all good qualities will be there. And harava bhaktasya kutoma. If he is not a devotee, now so many things, condemnation is going on. Big leaders, today's paper I have seen. This man, that man is rejected. Why? Harava bhaktasya kutoma. What is the benefit of becoming a big leader if he is not a devotee? देखिए सब सोचिए, you are very intelligent, young, and therefore I am trying to give you some idea. And if you can give some shade to this idea, it is already there, it is no secret. Simply we must be serious that this institution must be there for educating the whole human society, never mind a very small number. But the ideal must be.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.